how to find who can see your profile picture settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your profile picture settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp, and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find accounts, and then click privacy, and then just click here you will find it profile photo. Just click on it, and as you see here, you can make everyone can see it or no one. Just make anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.